We are going to see now how to do in AutoCAD in the most efficient way the water service plan and the drainage plan. We have here a plan of a floor in a building for residential purpose. Two copies of the same plan. We will be showing the drainage here and the water service here. So let's start from the water service. We are going to this bathroom. We are showing the drops. And we are going to respond to a few questions. Sink, shower, and now WC. No washing machine, nothing more. So we just need now to, if you want, to adjust some lines, make a cleaner drawing. So that's the result and of the toilet of this bathroom. We can now, what we need to do now is to connect these drops to the main pipes. Let's say I have a tank program here, and I'll say they run high level. I'll select the plan, a few clicks, and now, well, in this case, I have only this toilet connected, only this bathroom, but this program will connect every bathroom, every kitchen is shown. I can use now two pipes without the pump, maybe it's more appropriate. Well, this is how to draw, in this case, the bathroom. Same things can be done for the kitchen, but what I want to show now what is cool is that in the meanwhile, we also draw the drainage. So in a few clicks, we are doing more than one plan. And another cool thing I can show you is that sometimes the client asks for not straight lines, but fillet lines. So in this case, I had to prepare another program which works like this. In a few clicks, it will show a button with curved lines.